users of Pixel watches, which run on Wear OS, are getting a life-saving new upgrade with the latest Google Play update. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. According to sources, Wear OS devices are getting improvements in Android's Earthquake Alerts feature. Earthquake alerts are fed to either your phone or connected smartwatch, warning you of shakes and giving some short advice on bracing and getting to cover under a table or a similar structure to protect yourself from falling objects. The report said that with this feature, you can now get earthquake alerts on your Wear devices even when it's unpaired from the phone. This is a potentially life-saving new addition, as if you're ever away from your phone like on a run or having left your phone in your locker in a gym, the earthquake alerts will still come through to give you an early warning. Well, the update doesn't specify, but it's assumed the update is likely to apply only to watches with cellular connectivity and not Bluetooth-only watches, unless it comes through by satellite to modern Google Pixel Watch 4s with this feature. More updates will be known once the update rolls out. Aside from the earthquake alert change, this update's very minimal. The only other change is for phones, like a small quality of life autofill change to improve password syncing. Sure, Wear OS users don't often get the kind of updates the Garmin watches get, which usually adds new features like workout profiles on a regular basis. But this is still a big step by Wear OS, putting your security at the center. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.